Hello everyone, I'm Anjali. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm sharing a proper HTML roadmap for beginners. Now let's discuss about what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a part of web development and mainly used in Frontend. HTML is used to create the structure of a website. Without HTML, we cannot build the websites. That's why learning HTML is very important. In this roadmap, I will explain what topics to learn, in what order, and how beginners should practice HTML. I have divided HTML into 4 simple modules to make learning easy. If you learn these modules, you will understand most of HTML. Now let's discuss about module 1. Here I have listed all the important HTML tags related to text. Now I am showing sample outputs. Practice them for hands-on experience. Next, module 2, forms. Learn these tags and here are sample form outputs. Practice them for hands-on experience. Next, module 3, tables. Learn these tags and here are sample table outputs. Practice them to gain hands-on experience. Next, module 4, page layout. Learn these tags and here are sample layout outputs. Practice them. This is the roadmap I followed and I used W3 Schools while learning HTML.